You definitely want to check out this bird bath. I use this one for my canary, whose name is Sunny. He's in there, so he really likes this one. Doesn't only have to be for a canary; it can be for any bird that fits into this little pool. So it's very nice. I like that it's see-through, and I like the blue color. So it has the hooks here. You just unhook it, and then this is what it looks like. So I like it has a little perch. It has this water there, and then of course you'd want to clean this daily. And then just because I'm holding my phone, I'm not going to hook it back because it might drop. But you just basically put it on the cage on its hooks like so, and it also has a little hole there if you want to put a nail or something to hold it up. So I like that it has those options. It's very sturdy, at least for me. So and for my canary, so he hasn't had any issues, no spills, hasn't had the glass has stayed intact. So far I'm really enjoying it, and the one that's really enjoying it is my friend Sunny. So yeah, so hope you check it out, and hope your bird enjoys it.